Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make fruit sandwich. Fruit sandwich is very popular here in Japan. Some people eat it as a meal, but for me it's always a snack. Today I'm using strawberries, but you can use any fruit you like. Kiwi fruit, orange, mango, any colorful fruit will do. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 100 ml heavy cream, 100 gram mascarpone, 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 slices of Japanese bread, and some strawberries. Let's make the cream first. Heavy cream, mascarpone, and sugar into the bowl. Beat it until you can create nice peak. Looks good. Now I'm cutting off all the crust to enjoy the softness or fluffiness of the sandwich, but if you like the crust, you can of course keep it on. Someone asked me if I throw them away. I don't. I make French toast kind of thing using the crust. Yum! Let's put 1/4 of the cream on these two. Spread it out a little bit. Strawberries with the stem off. 1 in the middle and 4. Like this. When you place strawberries, think about how you want to cut it. I'm going to cut it this way, into small triangle, so I put the strawberries like this, but if you're cutting it into half this way, you just need to put 3 strawberries in the middle. Let's put more cream on top. Cover it with the other bread. Wrap it with plastic film. Put them in the fridge and let it sit for at least 3 hours. I chose them for 5 hours, so let's cut. So here, I have some hot water. Warm up the knife. Dry. And cut. Every time you cut, warm up the knife. And strawberry sandwich is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!